can read this format from here. Sergeant Toms, Club Secretary, Vice President Public Relations, Vice President Membership, Vice President Education, and the Club President. I am here to install the officers of the club Pallikaranai Toastmasters and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all. Already the challenge started. I am repeating. I am here to install the officers of club Pallikaranai Toastmasters and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to speak in an effective manner, listen with the sensitivity and think creativity. I will ask each officer to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership as I briefly describe the challenges they must meet and the responsibilities they must fulfill. First with the Sergeant Toms. You keep track of the club's physical property such as the banner, lantern, timing device and other meeting materials. You arrive early to prepare the meeting place for members and stay late to store all the club's equipment. You are also in charge of the meeting place itself, updating a new space when necessary and maintaining contact with the people who allow you to use the space for your club meetings. The Sergeant Toms also has a role to play during business meetings, speech contests and other special club events. The Sergeant Toms stands at the door while contestants compete in speech contest to ensure that the speaker is not interrupted by latecomers. Toastmaster Kotishwaran, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes.
Yes, I will.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Can we add a class for
Yes. Next, the club treasurer. You are the club's accountant. You manage the club's bank account, writing checks as approved by the club executive committee and depositing membership duties, payments and other club revenues. You are also in charge of submitting membership dues payments to board headquarters, filing necessary tax documents and keeping timely, accurate, up-to-date financial records for the club. Toastmaster Vijay, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Next, the club secretary. You maintain all club records, manage club files, handle club correspondence, and take the minutes at each club and executive committee meeting. You are also in charge of updating and distributing a roster of the current paid membership and keeping the club officer list current for the Toastmasters International. Though some clubs combine the club secretary role with the club treasurer, it is best to have a dedicated club secretary who can help reduce the workload of the club treasurer and occasionally assist the vice president education as well. Toastmaster Muthu, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Vice President Public Relations. You promote the club to the local community and notify the media and the club's existence and the benefits it provides. You promote the club, update the web content and safeguard the Toastmasters brand identity. It is your job to notify the media whenever your club does something newsworthy. As Vice President Public Relations, you will find yourself writing news releases, creating and distributing flyers, and maintaining the club's presence on the web and in the community. Toastmaster Guru, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Vice President Membership, you promote the club and manage the process of bringing in guests and transforming them into members. By initiating contact with the guests, helping them feel welcome and providing them with the information they need to join. You help maintain a constant influx of new people into your club. You also attentively monitor membership levels and strategies with the rest of executive committee and how to overcome membership challenges when they occur. Toastmaster Karthikeyan, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Vice President Education, as Vice President Education, you schedule members' speeches, verify the completion of projects, and serve as a resources for questions about the education program, speech contest, and your club mentor program. You are an important source of Toastmasters knowledge for club members, and it is your job to become familiar with all aspects of Toastmasters education program. Toastmaster Shankar, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Toastmaster Vignesh, having been elected the club president of the club Pallikaranai Toastmasters, you are its chief executive officer and are expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of your executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It is also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district and the Toastmaster International to meet their goals. Please accept the gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. The gavel is a symbol of power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with a strength. You are a member of your team as well as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It is an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and actions of all members with the common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone is proud. Will you, Toastmaster Vignesh, as club president, accept this challenge and perform your duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
It is now my pleasure to declare these Toastmasters installed into the offices to which they have been elected. I am requesting all the extra officers to take your seat, and I would like to stay there present here. Will everyone please stand?